Okay, welcome back to Nurse's Garage. So today I am doing a video about socket organizers. So this is a problem I've had for ever, really. And I've used the common ones that everybody uses, the rails with the little knobs on them. And those things have been around for forever and they do work, but they're also kind of frustrating because the sockets will, they'll pop off, they'll lose their ability to stay in one place. The rails slide the pieces all over the place. They're dirty, they're always not in the orientation that you want them. There's a lot of issues with them. So I was looking for a different solution, and what I decided on, at first against my better judgment, was these plastic socket holders. So these are clearly marked. These were purchased on eBay, and it's two sets. It's got SAE and metric, and it's got the three main driver sizes here. So it's basically, for the most part, a full set. And as you can see here, it's got the shorts and the longs for the sockets. And the reason I went with this over, metallic ones that were laid out like this, or like the Harbor Freight ones, was that the other ones were really short with the nubs. So the nubs only came up, maybe an inch or so. And when I was looking at those, I really didn't want the stuff to be just all loose and feeling unstable. I settled on these. So you get all 6 trays. I paid $25 on eBay for them. And basically, what I want to do is a little time lapse of me trying to figure out, do I even have the full assortment here? And I honestly don't think I do. I think I'm going to be missing probably about half of them. But the problem I have is the sockets are, I've got them for the most part all together, but they're also all around, and they're always floating around different drawers. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse of me trying to find some and putting some on here, and we'll see how it goes. We'll see how many I actually have. I think I've got them all, but do I? I don't know. So let's find out. Okay, so here's what I've got. So as you can see, I'm missing probably close to half. Just kind of what I figured. Um, but at the same time, I've got a ton of duplicates over here. You can kind of see there's a pile of duplicates, or one thing I didn't expect here was that some of these sockets, I've got some of these old S and Ks, and if you look, oh, this is a horrible example. Grab another one. That was not S and K. Some of these old S and Ks, you can kind of see here if I can get it to focus. And one thing I didn't expect was that it's completely solid. So you're not going to be dropping those down on any of these racks here. So yeah, here's what I got. Let me get you a close-up view here. And every time I see anybody do a video on these things, you know what they always do is they take them and they go, and they shake them back and forth. Yeah, there's not much shaking for the most part. And I don't really care. This is just in a garage. They're supported. They've got conical bases down here, which kind of center them. They're designed for pretty standard lengths. You've got your shorts and you got your longs. This isn't going to work for some of the super long ones. This isn't going to work for ones that don't have a pass-through in the center. What do I think so far? I really like it. I think this is great. This is going to help me to stay organized, and that's really the whole goal with this. I'm not getting this to show off. I'm getting this to stay organized so that when I'm working on something, I can go right out to the garage and I can just pick something right up and get to work. Now, I got a lot of duplicates, a lot of extras of the most common sizes, so that's to be expected. So yeah, I like them. I think so far it's great. I had some issues here where like 4.5 here wouldn't fit. It's got these extras in here so you can put some smaller ones kind of down in here and just boop. Now it's down. These are pretty nice. I would recommend them. I bought my set of all 6 for 25 bucks. And yeah, I like it so far. I'm gonna put them in a toolbox and figure out what I'm gonna do to get these extras. I might just buy some new sets so everything looks nice and shiny. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Every time somebody watches these videos, helps me in the sense of that YouTube requires, like 1,000 subscribers right now and so many hours of video watched. So they require new people to be logging in, watching videos, so they can count the minutes. And I appreciate anybody watching these videos because there's not too many, and it helps me. It would be really cool if down the line I had a lot of subscribers, but I'm not exactly spending a lot of time making these videos either, so you can't expect too much. So hey, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.